Why is my fan spinning backwards?
It wanted to feel their flap. I helped. Hey, baby. You better not steal my spotlight. Oh, my gosh. This is my show. I'm the star.
Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Mom, feed your dog meat. Otherwise, it will eat me.
All right, I'm gonna cut the kitty.
Mom, what did you say? Save me. It'll eat my friend.